Power BI Cognos Analytics. If you are looking for business intelligence software, then one of the softwares that I mentioned today might just be the answer to all of your problems. Well, we're going to explore them. We're going to check out what their features are. We're going to also have a look at one or two of their drawbacks, and then thereafter assess which one you as an individual business should actually be using. So without further ado, let's dive in. So jumping into Power BI now, you can actually discover powerful business intelligence software that turns your data into actionable insights. Power BI actually offers intuitive tools for data visualization and analysis, as well as empowering better decisions. Let's have a look a little bit more. So first of all, it has that easy data visualization. It has a drag and drop interface which simplifies building dashboards quickly, and you can customize it the way that you need it. You can combine Excel, SQL Server, and cloud data effortlessly, and it offers you real-time updates which provide instant access to your current metrics. Example use cases could include tracking sales by region and productivity categories, all in real time. Also, it has AI-powered analytics for smarter decisions. So it offers natural language queries, so you can actually ask questions in plain English and you can get instant yet simple answers. It also offers quick insights to automatic trends and anomaly detections, which can save analytical time. And their machine learning integration. So it has advanced analytics for predictive and prescriptive insights. This is fantastic. Also, you can customize your visuals. So you can create unique charts tailored to your specific business needs, and you can import from the marketplace or develop your own using Power BI SDK. For example, customer satisfaction gauge charts for quicker and more effective insights. It also gives you mobile accessibility. You can access all of your dashboards anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. Of course, as long as you have an internet connection. It also has a native app for iOS, Android, Windows with some offline accessibility. Having a look now at one or two of their drawbacks. Of course, every software that you'll use will come with one or two drawbacks. First of all, the technical requirements. It does have quite a bank of advanced features, so you would need a little bit of background to use Power BI nicely to its full potential. Also, it does have a steeper learning curve if you are a beginner. One of the other things is reports of performance. Large data sets can actually slow the dashboard responsiveness down quite a bit. And then one of the other things is to consider the cost and see if it's right for you. We're having a look at Cognos Analytics now. So it does feature AI-powered data exploration. Cognos Analytics actually uses AI to discover patterns and insights automatically. It delivers smart, role-specific dashboards without needing any advanced skills. Also, it does create interactive dashboards. So it has drag and drop capabilities. You can create dynamic dashboards easily with their diverse visualizations, and it has a granular data exploration, so you can drill down to uncover hidden trends in real time. Also, it features natural language querying, so you can ask data questions using simple natural language. Also, it has instant and accurate insights. It is context aware, and the NQL provides relevant answers. One or two of the drawbacks, unfortunately, of Cognos Analytics, we have to have a look at them because it plays an important role in your decision making when having a look at business intelligence software. So it does have a higher price, making it challenging for smaller organizations. So it can be a bit of a drawback if it's not within your budget. And then also it has tons of advanced features, so you may need specialized skills to configure as well as manage. You might need a department dedicated to this. Maybe your team needs to go through a training course. Of course, this can be costly as well as time consuming. So if you are wanting to jump into Cognos Analytics, this is definitely something that you do need to consider. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, 2 softwares, 1 choice. Which one is it? On the one hand, you have certain use cases. On the other hand, you maybe have a budget-friendly option or something that is less complex. The key takeaway here is to go and use the software. See what works for you specifically, and then go with that. If this really was helpful, drop us a like, and we will see you next time.